If you want to add a website link to your Instagram bio, maybe that's your online store, your YouTube channel, or something else, then watch this video until the end, because I'll show you how to add it to your Instagram bio and make it clickable, so anyone who visits your profile and clicks on it will be able to open it immediately. The first step in this process is to get and copy the link which you want to add. I'm going to add my YouTube channel link just as an example, but the steps are the same for websites, other social media accounts, and similar. So I've copied my link, and we can then open our Instagram app and navigate over to our Instagram profile. You can see that I have this Edit Profile button, which I am going to click on. And this will open the profile editor for me, where I can customize a bunch of things. Tap on Links right here, then Add Link, and you want to paste that link which you had copied into this URL bar. They also give us an option to add a title for this link, so I'll name it YouTube. Once you do all of these steps, you can save your changes by tapping Done. When someone visits your profile and taps on the link, they will be redirected to that account or website or whatever you've added in here,